Lucy playing with the jumper in her tap shoes. Say tap shoes! Can you do a dance in your tap shoes? Can you they're like Cinderella's tap shoes. Can you show me how you do a dance in your tap shoes? The dump truck dance?